Oh, I think the most important ability I learned from TCU is the ability to collaborate with others. I can still remember during our senior year, we're asked to finish a senior design project before we graduate. And those projects were mainly selected by Dr. Bingyang Wei. He's a great person, a great professor. And Dr. Wei asked us to work as a real company. And also he asked us to follow the real world development patterns we learned from the previous course. And honestly, these kind of experiences has significantly enriched my ability to collaborate with others in my future research career. And I appreciate that very, very much. During the time of my senior year at TCU, I worked with Dr. Bo Mei as a research assistant, and our work actually got published in TCU's own journal called TCU Baller Review, and that's actually the first look of my research experiences. And I got to know how research papers works. In the class of 2020, majored computer science at TCU, I was the only Chinese student in that class, which means I have to overcome the language barrier as quickly as possible. This kind of ability helped me a lot to adapt the new environment in the future. And also, since I was the only Chinese student, it is actually impossible for me to skip a single class because all of the professors, they know me and they put an eye on me. My current research project is that using Wi-Fi signal to sense a human's behavior in a room, and it's a very fun and very exciting research area. I'd like to borrow a famous sentence from Steve Jobs, which is "Stay hungry, stay foolish." You know, in computer science or data science major, it's a very fast-changing field, so we have to make sure that we keep learning from the new technologies and new concepts, and do not afraid of them. We have to be very, very adaptive to new technologies. For students who are considering TCU, I would like to say that TCU is a great choice, and it is a wonderful place for you to spend 4 more years for your undergrad study. And for students who is considering studying abroad in the United States, I would like to say that it's not an easy journey, but you will be beneficial from it for the rest of your life. For me, it is an honor to be called an on frog. That means I've spent a meaningful and successful time at TCU, and I'm very, very happy to become a member of TCU family. So lead on, go frogs. And by the end of this interview, let me introduce my cat Bake. She was adopted by me in Fort Worth, Texas 5 years ago. Hello.